What is Signagelive? Signagelive is a cloud-based digital signage platform incorporating all of the tools and support you require to securely deliver and manage your digital signage content and apps, regardless of the number of displays you wish to publish and update. Signagelive enables you to manage your players and content from images and videos to RSS feeds and IPTV streams. This and much more can be published and managed by Signagelive. If you're a corporate enterprise, quick serve restaurant, school, stadium, hospital, and many more, Signagelive has the experience gained over 20 years to deliver a solution that meets your current and your future objectives. Our platform enables you to create playlists of content featuring all of the content types we mentioned and publish them to one or multiple devices. These playlists can be published full screen or in a layout with multiple zones showing at the same time. It doesn't stop there. If you're managing hundreds of players or even hundreds of users, Signagelive has the functionality to manage user permissions and content at scale. When it comes to choosing the best hardware for your digital signage project, we provide support for all of the leading digital signage players and displays that can help you select the best choice for your technical requirements and your budget. If you're looking for a digital signage platform backed by a team with the experience to support you from inquiry to successful implementation, we're ready and waiting to speak with you.